messages for you. You do have here the Lovers and the Six of Cups. Okay, so ano naman natin, kunin naman natin yung main energy naman ng iyong person nakakonect since this is love reading. So okay, Earth sign, you do have here the Nine of Cups and the Hermit. Two major arcana with the Hermit and the Lovers, Gemini and the Virgo with the Hermit. And bottom of the deck is the Sun. And it could be a person in the past, guys. You do have the Six of Cups, past energy. Yeah, maybe some kind of ending or something ended sa inyo na person na to. I feel like you are currently focusing on other connections in your life. So, dahil nag-end yung sa inyo ng person na ito, okay, magpo-focus ako sa new connections or kung ano man yung connection na meron ka. Whether wala, kung wala, maybe new people, okay, new persons, new connections na wini-welcome mo ang sarili mo dito sa mga to. And if ever you do have another person in your life right now, yun, nandun ang focus mo, no? Whatever happened in the past, parang inilalagay mo na lang siya sa past, no? And you are focusing on positivity, happiness with the Sun. And then yung person na ito could be with the Hermit and the Nine of Cups is, you know, I feel like nagfo-focus din siya sa kanyang connections or sa kanyang sarili, no? With the Nine of Cups, I feel like may mga expectations pa siya. But anyway, let's get more messages here. For the sign of Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You do have your Two of Swords, the Seven of Swords, and the Temperance. Okay. Sa side ng person mo, you do have your Strength card. Seven of Wands, and Four of Cups. Okay. Another card na lumabas is the Knight of Wands. The Hanged Man is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so nakikita natin dito, maybe you have already decided na with the Seven of Swords, pwedeng nakapag-decision ka na regarding sa connection with this person. Pwedeng nagdulot din kasi sa'yo ng galit ito. Maybe inilagay ka sa third party situation or may third party na involved dito, third person na involved dito. And that nasaktan ka. And then with the Temperance, you are currently, alam mo yon, yung parang inipon mo na lang lahat ng sakit. And then instead of, focusing on that, ginawa mo na lang ito as an inspiration to be more like a better person, 'di ba? Parang hindi gagawin ko na lang itong inspiration to make myself better. Maybe marami ka natutunan sa connection na ito and you are using that para mas mag-improve ka pa sa iyong career or maybe sa iyong spirituality or you just focus on other things. Like alam mo yung tao na parang ay ganito, sige, mas pinili mo yan, okay, ayusin ko ang aking appearance. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga binago kayo, na nag-diet, ganyan, nagpaganda, yun yung ginagawa mo, nagfo-focus ka sa pag-aayos sa iyong sarili. And sabi ko nga, if there are other connections sa side mo, mas doon ka na lang nag-focus. And it is because nauna sa'yo yung parang galit na in a way na parang bahala ka dyan, parang gano'n, ayoko na, yung gano'n. Kasi maybe in the past, medyo bulag ka medyo you think na ito ay mag-workout, ito ay magiging okay, that you feel like itong spiritual connection ninyo is magiging maganda if ever i-workout ninyong dalawa, just in case, no, na magkakaroon ng connection. So, the way I say this, pwedeng nagising ka sa katotohanan na, ay nako, ayoko na. Kasi, masyado kong nag-isip ng kung ano-ano dito sa taong 'to, wag na lang. That's your energy right now. And with your person, I feel like there's a lot of passion dito sa taong 'to, pero hindi niya alam kung paano tatanggapin. Kung ano man yung I feel like you do have an offer sa kanya, or maybe may mga ipinakita ka sa kanya na para sa kanya, "Oh," gano'n. "You have offer, but I don't know what to do diyan sa offer na 'yan. Should I take it? It's too good to be true." Parang gano'n. Too good to be true para sa kanya, or itong taong 'to with the Seven of Wands, hindi niya in-expect na gano'n kaayos at kaganda, or hindi niya in-expect na, um, with the Strength card, I feel like, uh, I don't know, it feels like um, yung offer mo sa kanya, something na ginusto niya, or parang ito yung pangarap niya or dream niya in the past. But then, nung ino-offer mo na sa kanya, maybe something to do with reconciliation or whatsoever, I feel like hinintay niya rin yung offer na yon, pero hindi niya akalain na ganun pala. Tapos now na nandun na siya sa situation na yan, hindi niya alam kung paano tatanggapin. And some of you, wala namang offer, pero may mga ipinakita ka na something na maganda para sa person na ito, pero hindi niya alam kung anong gagawain regarding dito sa bagay na ito. So, alamin natin. Hindi ko ito kukunin. Masyadong marami. Kukunin ko lang yung mga nalaglag. You do have your 10 of Pentacles. Ace of Swords, okay. I'm gonna take this, masyadong marami. Okay, you do have the Page of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Ace of Cups. And then for your person, you do have the Sun, Wheel of Fortune, Five of Wands, and the Hanged Man. The Magician is at the bottom of the deck. With the Ten of Pentacles, nakita tayo ng money sa'yo in the future. This is actually future energy. And with the Ace of Swords, I feel like meron ka mga pagkagastusan na medyo tigkakapiraso doon sa money na yon, but maybe it has something to do with your sahod, ganyan, and I feel like may mga bagay kang pagkakagastusan dito sa pera na ito. Something to do with money. Page of Pentacles is here. But, yung iba, wag ka malungkot. Kung nagagastos yung kung ano man itong pinaghirapan mo or what, I feel like unti-unting nagiging maayos ang buhay mo in the future. And whatever problems you have in the past, pwedeng with the Hierophant, magiging maganda na yung news in the near future for you. So, unti-unti mong naayos kung ano man yung mga bagay na nag-take power sa buhay mo in the past, mga problema, like, I feel like may mga pagkakamali in the past na unti-unti siyang naaayos ngayon. So, maaaring in the near future, maging mas maayos na mas mag-align na sa'yo pagdating sa finances. And with the Ace of Cups, there's a new love na this person is going to talk to you. This person is meron siya mga ibabalita or sasabihin sa'yo. And the sun, this is showing something na ikakasaya mo. Okay, and with the Wheel of Fortune, I feel like there's big change for you. And with the Five of Wands, I feel like kailangan mo mag-ready. Kasi may bagay or may tao na dadating sa buhay mo and you have to get ready. I mean, I feel like you need to clean up your house. You need to, you know, ayusin, tanggalin yung mga hindi na nagagamit, itapon, ganyan. May nakikita tayong dadating sa buhay mo. The Magician, and this person is going to like additional ang nakikita natin additional sa house, not necessarily love, pero someone na might be makaka-contribute siya pagdating sa usaping material. Okay? So, tell me about this. You do have the Two of Pentacles. Yeah. I feel like there's a lot of money talk sa inyo nitong taong to, or may discussion or pagtutulungan. So, yung iba sa inyo, that could mean na itong taong to, paparating siya not only sa bahay, but sa buhay mo to help you with regards to your finances. Maayos mo ang iyong mga priorities. The Queen of Wands, this could be a mentor, this could be a person na will help you with your goals, and nakakita tayo ng pag-share of resources or money coming from this person. I can see siya yung magtuturo sa'yo ng kung ano yung dapat mong gawin para mas maayos mo yung mga dapat mong ayusin. You do have the Devil. What's with the Devil? Nine of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, something to do with money, guys. Not only magiging mas maayos ang iyong finances, I feel like mas magiging maayos din yung mga tao na magiging involved with regard sa iyong finances. Kasi maybe in the past, ang gugulo, no? Especially if you are a business owner. Maybe in the past, medyo itong mga nakukuha kong empleyado, parang palpak, hindi maganda, ganto ganyan. Ang daming problema, ang daming kagulo, and I feel like nagkakaroon ng hindi pagiging useful ng mga taong ito, but then maybe may bagong nakikita tayong potential na new person na pwedeng maybe a new employee or a new business partner, new person na magbibigay sa'yo ng success, ng mas maayos na trabaho na gusto mo or ng kailangan mo, and you're putting an end into something na hindi naman, or this person will put an end into something na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan or hindi talaga para sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, it's nice na ang person na to makakatulong sa'yo na makamove on sa mga bagay na nakapagpasakit ng ulo mo with the Five of Cups. Ayan. And with regards to home, kasi kasama talaga Four of Wands, the Knight of Cups, this new person. Okay, this new person, you do have the Two of Wands. Ayan, may mga plano siya. Okay? High chance of new love, new relationship na pwedeng mag-turn into partnership, relationship na may sense, relationship na kapantay mo talaga, relationship na maybe a soulmate connection. The Chariot, yeah, this person is paparating sa buhay mo para ayusin ang buhay mo sa minsan na naging magulong estado nito. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan mo yung message. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. And please comment down below. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay na po yan para sa akin. Again, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.